Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohard, and the king of the club scene. Of course, I am the Party Monster. Back in the House of Monster, back at it with a brand new video. And in today's video, I am super excited to introduce you guys to a brand that I just recently started partnering up with, Henry Miller's Sneaker Cleaner. They hit me up via a DM, and I thought I would check them out and everything. So yeah. And kind of as luck would have it, I'm actually getting ready for a live Whatnot auction this upcoming Saturday, May 13th at 7:30 Eastern Time. So I decided, you know what a good coincidence. I have shoes I need to clean for the show, and I just partnered up with a sneaker cleaner brand. So yeah. So in this video, I'm actually going to be cleaning these shoes right here. The Air Jordan 9 in the City of Flight colorways. I'm actually just going to be doing one to give you guys a comparison. And yeah, I know there are many different sneaker cleaning services out there. I don't want to name them all, but you already know the big boys in the game and everything. And hell, you could actually go to your local mall, and I'm pretty sure there is that guy at the kiosk that wants to clean literally one shoe and then ask for a tip and then charge her an arm and a leg for the product itself, which yeah, I deal with them every single day at work. But yeah, we're gonna see what Henry Miller is all about in this video. So I'm gonna be unpackaging it for you guys, show you guys firsthand the results and everything, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join the Monster Club. We are so close to 100 subscribers, and again, once we reach that 100 subscriber goal, I will be doing a giveaway. So again, stay tuned for that. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, definitely share it with a friend, and I do appreciate all that. So thank you very much in advance. And yeah, your boy is going live on Whatnot, May 13th, 7:30 Eastern Time. You can follow me at Party Monster. I'm gonna have steals and deals. I'm gonna have tons of gems, and it should be a really fun time. I'm definitely looking forward to it. And yeah, so without further ado, enough talking, let's get it. Okay guys, so let's just get right into it. It kind of already cut it off camera. And I forgot to mention that I will be giving my personal discount code at some point in this video in case you guys are interested in trying it out for yourself. But get right into it. Here's the package itself. Henry Miller Sneaker Cleaner. Get that thumbnail real quick. Boom. Keep your kicks refreshed. And yeah, cleaning solution, all-purpose brush, microfiber towel. So basically you get all the stuff that you would get in pretty much any sneaker cleaner, like full kit. So yeah, we're just gonna dive right into it and clean these shoes. And for the sake of a video, we're gonna just be focusing on the left shoe in case anyone's curious. But yeah, getting right into the package. You get your cleaning solution, your microfiber towel, and your premier brush that has Henry Miller on the back. And for those that are curious watching this video on what kind of material you can use it on, you can use it on suede, nubuck, leather, canvas. You can use it on boots. Pretty much any kind of thing you have, you can use it on. But anyway, let's get right into it. So you're going to take your solution, little in the bowl itself, then on the brush, dip it in real quick, and then just go to town with it. You guys can see, I'm going to get a nice little thing of foam right here. And you just really want to hit that midsole right, nice and good. Boom. And I am definitely already seeing a huge improvement on this shoe. So I'm getting right up in there and getting all the dirt off this shoe. I'm turning this beater into a heater again. One of y'all are going to get to steal this Saturday on Whatnot. Then you simply just want to take your microfiber towel. That's where I can talk, guys, I swear. And just simply wipe off the midsole and the upper as well. And just a quick comparison. This is actually the pair I worked on versus the pair I didn't. Just the suede looks soft and everything. Granted, it is wet right now, so naturally it's going to be softer, but you can tell these definitely aren't as clean as these. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for this video, but as you can see, we took these shoes from trashy to classy. Just look at the difference between the two shoes, and yeah, I can't say enough good things about them. Definitely recommend and can co-sign for Henry Miller's sneaker cleaner. Use my promo code PARTYMONSTER for 30% off all your heavy cleaner sneaker cleaning needs, and yes, you will not regret it. Definitely bring some beaters back to heaters and save yourself a lot of money and whatnot. But thank you for checking me out. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And as always, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. And until next week, remember, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace.